encrypt your document with the password, you need to navigate to File, Info, and then select Protect the document. Here, you need to select Encrypt with password. For security, I recommend that you create a strong password. Long, unique, and hard to guess. After you're done, you see that the Protect Document box has changed, and now there's a message. A password is required to open this document. If you close this Word file and then try to reopen it, you'll be prompted to enter the password. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to online training for everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video.